This is the elevator at Beyer Hall at Gannon University in Erie, Pennsylvania. This one's a Gen 2, slightly newer. It does look kind of worn though, so I don't think it's too new. Lower level, yeah, here we go down. Kind of dark in here. For lower level. Sounds like Mac chillers. This is definitely the older part of the building. Fire gun's not wired. 4-button you have to mash it a few times for it to work. I had to experiment with that off camera. There are 4. Back down to 1. It's a basic Otis fingerprint cab. Some little spot LED lights. Here I got 1. The closest nut's going to be at